Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a tutorial. This time it's inspired by the Mpa Art Gel palette. It's $104 and I don't have that money, but I want to create my own palette for Nailtober. So I had this all tin pencil case that I'll be using for the tutorial. I don't recommend using these plastic containers, even though it has a lid, since it's transparent. Light can get through it and it can damage your gels. A nice tin like this will protect your gels from the light. This is not meant to be a traveling palette. It's more like a stay at home in your desk type of palette. So let's get started with the materials. You're gonna need these half pans. These are used for watercolor. I got this a while back when I wanted to do my own watercolor paints, but I never actually used them. So they come also in full pans and in 1/4 of a pan. These are the half pans. They're very inexpensive on Amazon and on eBay. I think this is a perfect size for the palette. I would like to have either a full pan for whites, black, and for shading gel and highlighting gel, but this will do. Another type of material that you need is obviously your container. Using this all tin pencil case, like I said, and also you will need something to attach it to that. So for that I'm using this magnet, white magnet, because I can easily remove the half pans once they're empty, and I can either replace their color or refill it very easily. This is great because it comes with the sticky layer, which is easy to attach to the plastic and then put it into the palette for it not to move. But this sticky layer is not really that great, so you can use E600, hot glue, or anything else to just make it more permanent. You could also glue directly your half pans to your tin, but again, you won't be able to remove them and clean them out once you run out of them. Okay, so you make your choice what you prefer. If you prefer the magnet or glue, and it's very simple what we're gonna do with this. Obviously we gotta measure the half pans to the magnet to actually cut it to size, but that's fairly simple to do. Other than that, this is basically what you need in order to create the palette. So let's get started. Before we start gluing, we have to figure out how we are going to arrange our half pans, and this can be done vertically or horizontally. I don't like them being crowded together. I like them neat and simple, so I'm gonna arrange them horizontally. And before I start cutting and gluing the magnet, I have to figure out how many of these half pans can fit in my pencil case, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Perfect. Now that that's done, I can fit 40 pans in my palette, and also if I leave a tiny space, I can fit my favorite brush in there. This is not my favorite brush, but this is just for an example. You can fit a brush comfortably in there, and that's perfect. Now that this is done, I can start cutting to size the magnet. I will need 40 squares in order to complete my palette. So I'm just gonna sort of eyeball the measurement like so, and then I'm just gonna cut it. You might need some tweezers to remove it and stick it, but like this. Now what is left to do is for me to apply a little bit of glue to each of the pans and attach it. Then after this, it's just placing them in the palette, and that's pretty much it. For the next video, I'm gonna start mixing colors to add to this palette. if you like this video and would like to try this, please let me know. I would love to see how your pants turn out. And if you like this content, please follow for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!